So ngayon guys, pupunta kami ngayon ng night safari. Magka-grab lang kami papunta doon, which is 30 minutes yung biyahe from dito sa hotel namin sa Studio M. Nag-book na ako, hinihintay na lang namin yung driver. Nandito na kami sa night safari. Binaba na kami dito sa may drop-off. Tapos nalalakad lang kami papunta doon sa entrance. Yung ticket nga pala nito ay, or yung voucher, binook lang namin again sa Klook. Lalagay ko na lang ulit dyan para makita nyo. Again, from our hotel, nag-grab na lang kami. And then it's a 30-minute travel. Kasi mas mabilis siya eh. Kasi kung ititrend mo siya, nakita ko parang 1 oras. Kaya nag-grab na lang kami. Ang price nung grab is 24.80 Singaporean dollars. So parang mga nasa 1,000 pesos sa Philippine money natin. So this way to night safari. Let's go! This way! Sinave ko na rin kasi yung voucher dito sa phone ko, sa mobile ko, para at least dire-diretso na. Night safari! Here! Okay, magsi-celebrate pa sila ng 30 years of the world's first night safari. Welcome! Lakad pa tayo dahil sa Sikat Buot. Ang taray nito! Ganda! Grabe, ang ganda niya sa gabi. Kasi tinawag na night safari, ma-appreciate mo siya sa gabi. Ang ganda! 7:15 yung nabook kong ticket. So, hindi ko alam kung paano yung proseso dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan magsisimula. Magtatanong na lang tayo. First, pumunta muna kami dito sa kanilang food court. Baka siguro magdi-dinner muna kami. Ayun o, kanilang food court. Open area siya, guys. Actually, hindi naman mainit. Presko naman. Medyo mahangin kasi gabi na rin naman eh. Upon entrance dun sa night safari, meron ako nakita 3 activities. The amphitheater, the safari trails, and the tram. Uunahin muna namin yung amphitheater, which is scheduled at 8:30 p.m. kasi gabi talaga siya eh. And then, baka sumunod namin yung tram. Then, last na yung safari trails. Pero hindi ako sure kung itutuloy pa namin yung safari trails. Pero sige, we'll see na lang later. So, this is Singapore local flavors. Ang napili kong kainin na lang, siguro itong soya sauce chicken noodles. Ayun guys, so yung $15.9. Grabe, ang mahal niya. Pila na tayo guys dito. Actually, gusto ko talagang tikman yung Singapore laksa. Kaya lang gusto ko kasi mag-rice eh. Ito na yung in-order ko na chicken soy sauce for 15.9 Singaporean dollars. O diba? Ang pricey talaga. Pero mukha naman siyang masarap. So, kain na tayo for dinner. Ito yung una ko sinasabi, yung amphitheater, which is 8:30 p.m. ang start. Ay, laki ah. Okay, so this is the amphitheater. Ang laki niya.
tail is as long as the body and it is about a meter long. In fact, the tail is prehensile, which means it acts as additional lift for these animals and is strong enough to support their entire body weight as they hang down from the branches of the trees, just like that. There we go. Well done, Tanya. The answer is neither, as these animals are more closely related to the wolf as well as the foxes. But unlike its cousins, these animals will hibernate and will eat everything in order to do so. There we go. Fennec foxes also have curved claws that allow them to dig for their food in the sand or even in dry leaves. For those visiting the first few rows, do take a look at its paws. Now you notice that it's coming to take a look at the tail of its body. And there we go. Now porcupines have quite a cool quill that allows them to enter into hollow logs just like that. Maybe, because it's going to be here, we'll be able to show you on how to open up the container. And there we go! Well done, Sophie! Alright, time for me to take a little picture of you. Features, but in actual fact, these animals are more closely related to the cat.
Next guys is tram station, wait time 20 minutes. Ipili lang tayo dito. Alright.
Your seats on the tram, thank you.
From the water using rhino skin is in fact very sensitive. Rhinos do not sweat like you and I, which is why they are often found near water bodies. Swallowing mud helps them keep cool. With only 200 individuals left in the wild at the start of the 20th century, these are found. Males spot antlers, which are used to spot heavy, ridged horns that are used for defense against predators. Males also use problem different story. Lions aren't native to Singapore. Maybe the prince saw a strange mystery. At night safari. Only male Asian elephants or bulls have shorter ones known as tushes. These roaming wild populations, we support conservationists and goes towards the work that saves Asian elephants and other animals that share their habitat. This sad story demonstrates an important truth. Losing just one species has... You know, in this short journey into the wilderness of Jamaica, we have
And that's the end of the tram. Kung mapapansin nyo, most of my videos manlalabo kasi nga madilim na talaga. Saka yung lights niya hindi ganun din kalaliwanag dahil nga nocturnal yung mga animals. And then, ayun nga, sobrang pili lang din yung mga animals na videohan ko dahil nga madilim nga talaga siya. Pero anyway, at least to experience the tram here in Night Safari. Dito kami ngayon sa 7-Eleven malapit sa aming hotel, Studio M. Bumili lang ako nitong truffle na flavored potato crisps At saka ito mga noodles. Ito noodles ito buy one take one lang siya. Kaya binili ko na lang. This truffle is 2.25 Singaporean dollars. Tapos ito namang buy one take one 2.80. Ikaw ay kumuha ng tinapay at saka itong mga chips na ito for only $3 for $3. So, di ba? Ang mura. Dahil sa nagutom tayo, kakainin na natin yung binili natin sa 7-Eleven. Itong ay yung parang Pringles, yung truffle, at saka itong noodles nila na chicken curry. Kain tayo, guys. Mm.